Try these Kamut Flour Biscotti that are made using Kamut flour, which is an ancient grain. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Kamut flour is an ancient grain that is similar to all-purpose flour, but it has more protein and nutrients. It also provides a sweet and nutty flavor to baked goods that I absolutely love. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Add 113 grams of softened butter, 170 grams of cane sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined and there are no butter chunks. Next, add in 2 large eggs, 191 grams of all-purpose flour, 71 grams of Kamut flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix on low until combined and you have a stiff cookie dough. On a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper, form the biscotti into a large log that is about the length of the pan and flatten it slightly. Sprinkle the top with about 2 tablespoons of cane sugar to cover it completely. This will give the biscotti a beautiful texture when it's baked. Bake at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes or until the edges look brown and the middle looks set. Let the biscotti cool for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it's cool enough to cut with nice clean cuts. Then, using a sharp knife, cut the biscotti into about 12 pieces and spread them out evenly on the baking sheet. Then we're going to bake them again for another 20 minutes or until the biscotti is golden brown and crispy. I love making this biscotti with Kamut flour as it has such an interesting and unique flavor that's both nutty and sweet. It is so good. If you want more biscotti recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.